Hello. This short video is to help you set up your career choice project and go through how to use your RUSD Learns Google account, how to access it, and then create this project in your Drive. You are going to be creating a presentation, which is very similar to PowerPoint, and then you're going to be sharing it with your case carrier or your English instructor. So let's get started. You're going to go on the computer of your choice, whether it be in the library, whether it be in the computer lab or in one of your classrooms, and you're going to open a browser. Chrome works best with Google Drive. However, right now I have my Foxfire browser open. So I see Google here, Google up here. I'm going to look up to the far right and I'm going to see this button that says sign in and I'm going to click on it. Now, because I use Google a lot, it already comes up, and this is my laptop, so it comes up with my identity right away. And then it's just asking me to log in with my password. So you can see the RUSD learns that you need to put in. Then I'm going to sign in. Whoops, I signed in incorrectly. Sometimes you have to check these things. All right, there we go. So now it shows up here that I'm signed in. Here's my little icon right here, my name. I know I'm ready to go. So I want to go to my Drive. My Drive is where all my documents are. So I need to open that. And what's nice right here is I have this little grid and it says apps. So I can look at that, apps right here, and I can click on it and it will take me to my Drive. And right now, the triangle is Drive. We used to call it Google Docs, so sometimes you might hear some people use the word Google Docs, but it's Drive. It is loading, and I have quite a lot of documents open here, but I want to create a new one. So I'm going over here to the Create button. I'm going to hit Create, and I'm going to look for Presentation. I'm going to click on it. Now it's asking me, what do I want my presentation to look like? How do I want it to look? Remember, a very complicated and fancy layout looks nice, but as you began to add things to it, and could be a little hard to read. So I'm just going to pick a very simple one today. I'm going to choose it. The blue lines go around it. Then I'm going to hit OK. Now I need to give this a title. So I'm going to come up here to my far left and it says Untitled Presentation. Notice as I put my cursor over it, it says rename. So I'm going to click on it. Now it's asking me to name my presentation. I'm just going to call mine for today Career Choice. You can call yours Career Choice and then the career it's about if you'd like. Then I'm going to hit OK. That gives it that title. Here, I'm going to hit again, Career Choice. And then maybe you want to be you're looking at being a auto mechanic. Maybe you're looking at working in a medical office. Please put the title of what you're looking for in there. Well, we know what my career choice is. Mine is teacher. Then down here, I'm going to put my name. I'm going to type that in slowly, make sure it's correct. The wonderful thing about Google Docs is look right here. Every time I type something in it, it says every change you make is automatically saved in Drive. I don't have to worry about hitting a little disc icon or going here and hitting save. It does it for me automatically. That's really wonderful. Now, the next thing I need to do, and the last thing we're going to talk about in this, is I need to share it with my instructor so my instructor can look at it, give me feedback on it, and assist me with it. So I'm going to hit share. Now, you can see right here that I own it. Here's my email. And I want to share it with somebody. I'm going to be a little silly here today, and I'm going to put my own email in it so that you can also see if you're choosing to share this with me. This is how you would share it with me, Miss Jayne-Hutchinson. So I'm going to put my email there. You see choices come up of people that I know and share it with quite frequently. So there's my email. So if you wanted to share it with me, that is what you would type, djhutchinson at rusdlearns.net. That's who you would share it with. Now over here it gives you some choices. You can edit, can comment, and can view. Since you're wanting me to assist you with making sure your grammar is correct, your spelling looks good, your punctuation looks good, you're going to choose Can Edit. That means whoever you share this with can make changes to your document or presentation. Then if you want, you can click send a copy to myself. That's going to let you know when you have sent this and what you have sent to your instructor. Now I'm going to click share and save. Right here I also have clicked notify people via email. Notify people via email just means it sends somebody a little email and lets them know that you have shared something with them. So right here, I'm going to click that. Then I'm going to say, this is my career project. Okay, nicely done. Now I'm going to hit share and save. And there you go. It shows that here's also a link you can send to people. And look what pops up on my screen. Here's a little email notification telling me, wow, somebody shared something with me. So that's why you want to have that. Now we're going to click done. And then there you go. It's shared. Let me click. Okay. It's shared. It has the title here and who it's by. And so now we are all complete. Thank you.